Working with bees is not for the meek.
I know if I find eggs in here, the queen's been in here within the last 3 days.
Andrew Garavito is one of several students who are trying to find out why bees are dying.
I don't see any eggs on this frame, but what I do see is honey up here, this clear stuff, and this brown stuff further down is brood. Perfect.
Scientists first discovered high mortality rates for the flying insects in 2009. Because of the high death rates, the term colony collapse was used to describe what was happening. That process has stabilized, but bees are still dying.
Last summer, though, for the first time on record, we lost more colonies over the course of the summer than we did the winter. And so we're really worried that this is symbolic of something really going wrong in our environment.
So why do we need bees? Well, we need them for crops like corn. Bees are a multi-million-dollar industry. Scientists will tell you 1 in 3 bites of food we eat is pollinated by the insects. Beekeepers house them in hives, which they call apiaries. These hives are taken all over the U.S., pollinating various crops. In California, they're placed near almond groves. In Florida, it's citrus. In the Midwest and Maryland's eastern shore, they're used to pollinate cucumbers, corn, and soybean. The DataDriven Lab is focused on 3 areas. They noticed early on some illegally imported bees from Asia carried a mite known as varroa. They describe it as a vampire, sucking bee blood, then emitting a virus which is passed on to other bees. The second area is pesticides. Scientists who study the insects see a correlation between some chemicals used to control pests on plants and bee deaths. Lastly, they're focusing on the diversity of nutrients bees consume, i.e. wildflowers, which were once abundant but are disappearing.
We have a lot of different things going on, and that means we have to have a lot of different solutions put in place simultaneously to help improve bee health.
There are some 400 different species of bees. There is a lot of focus on honeybees. Native bee populations aren't being studied with the same intensity, and that may be a bigger problem in the long run. In College Park, I'm Charles Robinson for Your Money and Business.